Digitalization is changing everything, transforming business models and the ways products are designed, produced, delivered, and consumed. New business models in the internet age are disrupting complete markets. A company's ability to compete in the future, to exist, is dependent on its ability to evolve with digitalization. Manufacturing industry is under tremendous pressure. Consumers are becoming more health and environmentally conscious and require products to be healthy, safe, and sustainable. They expect a greater choice of products, delivered in a greater array of pack types and sizes. They want premium quality products and expect low prices for standard product lines. At the same time, new generation consumers are less loyal to the brands. They use social media to promote good quality, but will also spread bad quality using the same platforms, impacting brand image drastically. In today's so dynamic context, companies are competing, and as more of them are racing to be the first to market with an innovative product, given also the fact that products and regulations are becoming ever more complex in this global economy, quality will be compromised. To avoid this kind of quality issue, manufacturers need a dedicated answer to run their laboratories. Siemens LIMS, Laboratory Information Management System solution, offers efficient lab management, test execution, and quality control. Let's see how these capabilities come into play by examining a typical sample testing workflow in the laboratory. First step is registration. By connecting with other systems such as ERP or MES, samples can be automatically created in the LIMS to assure quality inspection is always triggered. Further optimization is possible by using the advanced scheduling functionality. Once registered, it's time for test execution. By means of work lists, lab analysts can focus on analysis methods and group all samples that need to undergo that analysis. Connecting with different instruments in the lab allows for further efficiency and zero risk for errors, since all analysis results can be registered in the LIMS automatically. Moreover, to avoid working with non-calibrated instruments, the system will warn you when it's time to schedule a service interval or when analysis results from blank samples start deviating. Finally, the system will also check if the lab operator has all necessary skills and qualifications to perform a specific analysis. Without those, the system will prevent him from executing an analysis until all necessary qualifications are acquired. Validation comes right after test execution. By focusing on the exceptions, a lab manager can gain a lot of efficiency. Trending and charting can further help him in taking the correct decision by evaluating deviating results with previous analysis results. For each decision taken, a reason code needs to be registered in the system to ensure full GMP compliance through the extended audit trail. Finally, last step reporting. Analysis reports, certificate of analysis, management reports. All reports are available in the system and can be configured according to customer wishes. Implementing a LIMS solution helps manufacturers to obtain the following benefits: improved lab efficiency, shorter lead time for samples and analyses, tight integration between lab and production, reduce administrative tasks and errors, reduce scrap and rework, enforce QA/QC procedures throughout the company, unified overview of all quality measures, reduced cost of regulatory compliance. Our LIMS solution is part of Opcenter portfolio that integrates from all functional MOM domains such as Manufacturing Execution System, Manufacturing Intelligence, Advanced Planning and Scheduling, Quality and Research, Development and Laboratory. Opcenter portfolio allows to bridge PLM and automation and enables customers to implement strategies for the complete digitalization and integration of their product and production life cycles.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.